What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mark back with another video. Man, sorry so long for the videos in between, man, but I've been recording on my little janky GoPro thing, but I ain't figured out how to get the videos off of it, so I'm gonna just keep recording on my phone and stuff like that. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah. Well, let me go ahead and give y'all this update. Hold on, let me turn it. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. But let me go ahead and turn it. I got the motor in there, y'all. Got the motor in there. Yeah, as you can see, I done painted the frame black. I done went in there, painted it black and stuff. But yeah, I got the motor set down up in there. I did a video before I set the motor up in there about the flywheel. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, whatever. Oh man, I did a video on the flywheel. I had seen this video where this guy was talking about the spacing for the flywheels and the torque converter and the flywheels. You know, some of them has to be shimmed or something like that after it's pulled all the way out to get ready to make the torque converter on the flywheel. And the video was very, very good, but what I noticed is that he was putting the flywheel on the torque converter wrong. He was putting it with the spacer side on the torque converter. He was putting the spacer side down on the torque converter, so it was creating a little space because of the spacer. But in my opinion, and I'm no professional, this is how you mount the flywheel, like this, with the spacer on the crank side. That's just my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I got to pull this motor back out, so don't worry about that. But if I'm wrong, you know what I'm saying, I know the... Hold on. Sorry about that. But, yeah. This is how I say you supposed to mount it. It's like this. Now, get in the comments and let me know if I'm wrong. But yeah, so yeah, I got that up in there. Oh man, I got that. I gotta finish doing some stuff up under there. See the 4L60 right there. 4L60 two-wheel drive, 4L60 right there and stuff. But yeah, that's how I feel like the flywheel supposed to go on. So. But we got a 4L60 right there. But we not going with that. We gonna go with this big boy 4L80 right here. Yeah. Oh, so we got two of them. 4L80, 4L80. I'm gonna go with this 4L80 right here because it's already slip yoke style. This is the fixed yoke, which I mean I can make that a slip yoke, but from what I was seeing, this is shorter than a regular slip yoke. So I'm gonna just buy the slip yoke for this, you know, and we're gonna go with this one for right now. I'm gonna put that in something. I got something for this one though, torque converter right there. But yeah, we're gonna go with this 4L80. Hold on, I got my where my other fit now. It's in here. Hold on real quick, hold on. Okay. For my adapter, my fitting adapters that go in the side of the transmission, I went with a banjo style fitting. Because I seen in other videos on the G body, the fitting is tight on the side of the transmission from the hump, with the hump and stuff. And then, you know, I got the regular fittings that go in there that stick straight out. And then you got to put another 90 on there. But if I just come with this banjo style fitting like this, you know, and then come with the straight, then that's less of a hassle I'm gonna have. Plus, I'm gonna put the lines on here first anyway, and stretch them out to the front, so that way I ain't gotta worry about it. But yeah, I bought these off Amazon. I think from Evil Energy, I think they are. I can't remember, but yeah, these are the banjo style, fittings. I'm gonna go with these instead of the regular straights, which I got them too. So, I'm going with the Kenso fuel pump. I got my Nathan Wee wiring harness right there. Well, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with this banjo style fitting for the side. For the adapters. Got that. I pretty much got everything already. I've been ordering parts. I got this PTFE line, but I'm not gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with the regular 9-line braided hose, dash 6 and stuff. Like I said, I got my Kenso fuel pump, Nathan Wee harness. I got my sending unit for the gas tank. Monte Carlo came with the fuel injected in 85, I believe it is. So I just bought the sending unit for that year, Monte Carlo. I'm gonna get the gas tank too, since it's baffled, since it's fuel injection. I got my Taylor Street Thunder wires. 51046 for them. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready. What else? That's the other wiring harness. That's for the 4L60 transmission right there. And that's a 4L80 harness. There's my intake right there. Drive-by cable. Gonna put that on there. Y'all see it already has the EGR valve delete on it. Got to take that off of the hood to close. Got to change my injector over to the EV6, the flex fuel and style injectors, and change my rail to the returnless style rail. But yeah, that's about it for the. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you know what I'm saying. But oh yeah, hold on. Let me show y'all something else. Hold on. To the motor. When I pull it out. Y'all see I broke, well, I didn't break it, but see that right there? And there's another one right there. Got to get both of them out. Got to swap them injectors into the intake. Take it out, clean it up. As y'all can see, I put the bracket on here real quick to see if I got clearance. Excuse me. But as y'all can see, I do got clearance. But I still might put the smaller pulley on there and stuff. But yeah, that's my update, y'all, man. Like I said, I got the motor in here and it's ready, but I'm gonna pull it back out. There's the motor that came out of it. I don't know what size it is. A 264, something like that. It ain't no 305. I know that. It sure ain't no 3050. I mean, no 3050. It sure ain't no 350. I know that. It ain't no 305 neither. It's a 290, 2 something. I don't know. But anyway, somebody can come get that for $100. I don't care. But anyway, like I said, I just thought I'd bring y'all a little update real quick on what I had going on. I'm about to pull that motor back out, do a little cleaning up on the motor. I kind of wire with that 4L80. Get ready to put that in there. Slide that up under there and stuff like that. Get it ready. And shit, I'm going to bring y'all some more updates, man. There's a couple more parts I got, so I can go ahead and start putting this thing together. Getting it ready. Spring will be here before I know it, but I ain't in no rush like that. But, like I say, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, whatever. And as always, keep it pushing.